welcome to applications. This is section 10. And we're going to practice some problems. So the first problem says that starting in 2002, there were 972 students enrolled at Oakview High School. It increased by 1.5% per year. How many students were there in 2014? First things first, 2014 minus 2002 is 12 years. So let's plug it into the formula. We're trying to find f of 12. And this is a growth because we're increasing. So we start with 972 times 1 plus 0.015 to the 12th power. Remember that 1.5% becomes 0.015. So then I write 972 1.015 to the 12th, and this becomes 1,162 students. See, not crazy, Ben. Let's look at a few more examples. Our next problem says that Mark bought a brand new car for $35,000. If the car depreciates means lose value by 8% a year. How much is it worth? He bought the car in 2008. And they're looking for its value in 2015. So 2008, when you take it away from 2015, is 7. So f of 7. This is a decay problem because our value is decreasing. So we start with how much we started with, which is 35,000. 1 minus 0.08 to the 7th power. So then I get 35,000 times 0.92 to the 7th power, and I get $19,524.63. See how this works? Let's look at a couple more application problems. Now Laura deposited $12,000 in an interest account that earns 8%. How much will she have after 5 years if the interest is compounded quarterly? Whenever it says compounded, we use the compound interest formula right here. And quarterly means 4 times per year. So we're going to find A when our principal amount starts at $12,000. And then we have 1 plus 0.08 over 4 to the 4 times 5. So A equals 12,000 times 1.02 raised to the 20th power. So this means if she puts that money in the bank, she'll have $17,831.37 at the end of 5 years. That means that if she puts money in the bank and just lets it sit there, she's going to get a little more than $5,800 in interest just by having it sit in the bank. Interesting. Now, the last one I'm going to do with you all today is Jack took out a 6-year loan for $25,000 to purchase a boat at 4.5% interest, and it's going to be compounded monthly. Monthly means there are 12 months in a year, so n equals 12. So let's look at this. So I get A equals 25,000. 1 plus 0.045 over 12 raised to the 12 times 6. So A equals 25,000. 1.00375 to the 72nd power. So A will equal $32,732.58, which means here, because he took out a loan, he's going to have to pay more than $7,700 more for the boat because he had to finance it and pay interest. So that's not always a good deal. Hopefully this was helpful. Talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.